Lee Randolph Jr. did violate Section 1623-490 of the South Carolina Code of Laws, possession of a weapon during the commission of a violent crime, in that on April the 7th, 2016, the defendant, while armed with a handgun, did commit the crime of murder. The defendant did shoot Taisha Williams in her head, causing her death. This incident occurred at 346. This incident did occur at 346 Clarendon Street in the county of Orangeburg, state of South Carolina. You understand that charge? Mr. Randolph, you understand the charge, sir?
No.
Well, I'm not asking you whether you're guilty of it. I'm just telling you at this point, this is what you're charged with. Do you understand? Arrest warrant 2016-838-102-00111 is charging you with the offense of murder based on the investigation by the Orangeburg County Sheriff's Office. The defendant, Robert Lee Randolph Jr., did violate Section 16610 of the South Carolina Code of Laws, murder, in that on April the 7th, 2016, while inside his silver 2004 Mercedes CI 500, Taisha Williams was shot with a .38 caliber revolver in her head, causing her death. The defendant gave a written and recorded verbal statement to these facts. You've understood everything that I've just told you, Mr. Randolph? Mr. Randolph, here I am, sir. Do you understand everything that I've just told you? Do you have any questions of me? I'm sorry? Do you have any questions you need to ask me that I have not answered for you? It's a copy here of everything I've just told you. I need him to initial each one of those boxes. I need you to put your initials in each one of those boxes that I've told you what your rights are, and I need you to sign that bottom line for me as well before we proceed, okay?
Thank you. At this time, I'd like to acknowledge Ms. Williams' family and friends. They are here today, and they plan to be present throughout the whole process. As you can see, Ms. Williams was a very loved young lady, daughter, friend, family member, and mother of 3 young children. I understand this is not a bond hearing, but I would ask if you could please make sure that the defendant nor his family have any contact with the victim's family. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Randolph, at this particular point, where of course you're not getting out today anyway until you actually go for bond, but there's no contact, and I'm assuming, I know that everyone in the courtroom can hear me, so on both parties' behalf of the victim as well as the defendant, that there be no contact between anyone until this case is fully adjudicated. The contact, of course, means no third-party communication, telecommunication, or written communication. Any violation of that is going to subject yourself to actually sitting in jail until this case is fully adjudicated. Be sure that the victim's family are aware of all court dates when they are, and properly notified.
Yes, sir.
There are no other questions. Anything else from you, Mr. Randolph? Anything from the state? All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You got this shit, man. Sorry.